In August 2023, a routine dive off the coast of Alaska would shatter expectations and ignite one of the greatest mysteries of modern marine science. The Okeanos Explorer, a vessel at the forefront of oceanic research, was charting the deep, silent plains of the Gulf of Alaska. Its remotely operated vehicle, engineered to withstand unthinkable pressure, drifted through the perpetual night at 300 meters, 2 miles beneath the surface. It was here, in a landscape seemingly devoid of life, that the impossible appeared. A golden orb, perfectly round, gleaming from the rocky outcrop as if daring the world to explain its existence. No one aboard had ever seen anything like it. This sphere, about the size of a softball, reflected the artificial lights with a metallic luster. On the screen, it looked almost supernatural, an artifact from an alien world, not the familiar gloom of Earth's own ocean. The team stared in disbelief. Decades of exploration, thousands of hours spent probing the abyss, and yet nature had produced something so beautiful, so inexplicably out of place. The orb's surface was smooth, unblemished, and flawless, a golden dome untouched by the turbulent passage of time. The setting only deepened the enigma. The seafloor at that depth is usually cloaked in fine sediment, dotted with organisms adapted to relentless darkness and pressure. But here, this object sat utterly alone. No other debris, no signs of a recent disturbance. It was as if the orb had been placed with deliberate intent, an invitation to question everything we know about life beneath the waves. The researchers acted quickly. Cameras zooming in, they searched for clues, growths, markings, anything to hint at its origin. But the sphere defied classification. It wasn't geological. No mineral deposit matches its symmetry or color, nor did it resemble the remnants of humanity, lost cargo or sunken artifacts. It was neither coral nor sponge, nor any of the familiar deep-sea dwellers found in these remote waters. They initiated extraction. The mechanical arm reached out, bracing for resistance. But the moment it touched the orb, shock rippled through the control room. The golden shell, so seemingly solid, yielded under gentle pressure. It was soft, pliable, more like skin or rubber than metal. The illusion of rigidity shattered. This wasn't an artifact. It was something alive, or at least once alive. As the sphere was lifted, a small hole near its base came into view. The opening suggested a biological process. Perhaps something had hatched, or an unseen predator had feasted. The orb was not a monolith, but a shell, a casing, or a vessel for something else. The mystery deepened. Was this an egg, a protective housing, or the remains of a creature unknown to science? On deck, under the scrutiny of laboratory light, the orb revealed more secrets. Its golden hue shifted, now more bronze, now brown, depending on the angle. The surface texture bore no resemblance to cataloged species. Initial tests confirmed its biological nature, but nothing in the reference databases matched. It wasn't a jellyfish, nor a sea anemone, nor the many enigmatic beings that populate the abyss. Speculation erupted. Some scientists posited it was an egg casing, perhaps of a deep-sea sponge or an undocumented life stage of a known species. Others wondered if it was the product of a symbiotic community, a structure built for mutual protection. The perfectly spherical shape challenged familiar patterns. Nature rarely crafts such flawless forms. Its color, too, so vivid in the darkness, defied the expected palette of the deep. With advanced DNA sequencing and microscopic examination underway, the orb's secrets remain locked away. As of September 2025, the world waits for answers. Yet the golden orb's presence is a testament to the ocean's unfathomable complexity. In a world where 95% of the deep remains unexplored, every discovery is a reminder that our greatest mysteries are not found on distant planets, but in the crushing blackness beneath our own feet. The golden orb is more than a scientific puzzle. It is a symbol of the hidden wonders that lie in the last true wilderness on Earth, a challenge to our understanding and a promise that the ocean's depths hold secrets stranger than fiction, waiting for the next explorer daring enough to seek them.